future FMS students and parents. I'm Dorothy Winslow. I'm the principal here at the middle school, and I'm just going to briefly go over a couple things that might affect how you fill out your registration sheets for next year. By now, all students should have registration sheets, and I think there was a little confusion when they were handed out, and the confusion was that some students felt that, or thought they read into the sheet that you could not take band and go out for after-school sports. That is totally not true, and I think after that point it got kind of confusing. So I have another sheet that says, "Are you confused?" And I'm going to take a minute to go through this with you, and I ask that you fill this out. It will help me when I assign subjects and your schedule for next year. So let's take a brief moment and go over this sheet. Okay, so here's another sheet that I would like for you to fill out, which should make a little bit more sense. Are you confused? How about that for a title? Okay, first of all, first and last name. Again, students, you need to print this so I can read it. All right, we have a music encore box, and everybody needs to fill this music encore box out. If you've been in band, you circle what kind of instrument you play, brass, woodwind, or percussion. If you want to start band here at the middle school, you put in beginning band. If you are trying out for select choir, I don't know, those selections have not been made, but you can go ahead and check that. What I will assume is that if you don't make select choir, because it is a tryout, I will go ahead and put you in girls choir. Or if you want boys, if you want to be in boys chorus, or if you don't want any music, that can also be a choice. But everybody needs to fill out this music encore box. Okay, moving on down to the next three. These are other encores that will be offered at the middle school. And I have them divided into physical education encores, art encores, and teen life. So I want you to choose which one you want to be first. These need to be numbered number 1, 2, or 3, and 1 being the one you want the most. So if you want art the most, you would put a 1 here. Or if you want teen life first, you'd put 1 here, and then maybe art a 2, and then maybe PE. It doesn't matter, but number 1 means that's the one thing that you want the most. So let's say you put a number 1 in the PE, then you come to the classes that are offered in that area and you number those 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I'm just telling you, quite honestly, team sports and advanced fitness, that normally fills up with 8th graders right off the bat. Those are very popular classes, so you can go ahead and ask for them, but quite often I have to go down to 3 or 4. Art Encore, right now we only have 1 art class listed because that you have to take a basic art class before you take any more art. If you take art first semester and you want to add more art second semester, we can do that once second semester gets here. And Teen Life, you can choose whether you want to take that 1 semester or 2 semesters. It doesn't matter, but tell me what order. So now you have to fill out music encores. You're going to number the next 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3. And then the last thing, and I'm just telling you just so you know, there are other classes that you may be enrolled in, and that all depends upon test results or what your skills may be. And these classes are by teacher recommendation only, and these classes are math lab. Most of you have had keyboarding already. Some of you probably need a little more practice, or maybe you came in late to the year, so keyboarding may be a choice for some of you. An ELA lab or Algebra 1 or study skills. So these are all, this last one right here, they are all by teacher recommendation, and it's just for your information. So I hope that this sheet clears up confusion. Please fill it out, and it is due March 31st to your advisory teacher at Lincoln. We will pick them up. So please feel free to call the middle school at 701-1330. Ask for Mrs. Moore, our counselor, or for me, Dr. Winslow, and we will be more than happy to help you with this. Have a great day.